This beautiful Filipina was just sitting on a bench when her ex spotted her. His first words made her smile, but what he said next left her completely embarrassed. Watch till the end.
Si ex ko. Hoy ex, alam mo, hindi ko makakalimutan yung mukha mong yan.
Alam ko naman kasi hindi mo ako makakalimutan. Ano, mahal mo pa ako? Hindi ka pa nakaka-move on? Ay, ito talagang lalaki na to. Grabe naman ang pagmamahal mo sa
Kahit kailan talaga, OA ka.
Before you hear what he says next, smash that like button and subscribe. You won't believe the one sentence that made her confidence disappear.
Alam mo, kung bakit hindi kita makalimutan?
Ano?
Kasi yung mga utang mo sa akin. Kailan mo balak magbayad, ha? Ano? Hindi ko alam kung buntis ka na o ano, uso pati ngayon yung buntis.
Uy, gabi ka naman. Hindi ako buntis. Anong kalam sa akin? Uy, tignan mo, may tao, oh.
Hoy! Hoy!